If you keep getting your device storage is full error on WhatsApp, here's a simple guide to fix it step by step. So let's get started. First of all, open WhatsApp and then go to settings. After that, tap on storage and data followed by manage storage. Here, you will see a breakdown of all the files and chats taking up space. Next, review large files and forwarded media. Tap on forwarded many times or larger than 5 MB to see which videos, images or documents are taking the most space. Then, select the ones you don't need and tap delete. After that, clear chat backups or old messages. Go to a specific chat, then tap on the contact name at the top. After that, scroll all the way down and then tap on clear chat. This removes unnecessary messages but keeps your chat intact. Now, check your device storage in your phone settings. Go to your device's settings, then tap on General followed by iPhone storage. Here, delete unused apps or files that are taking up space. Then, consider moving media to cloud storage. Upload photos and videos to Google Drive, iCloud or any other cloud service. After backing them up, delete them from your device to free up space. Next, restart WhatsApp and see if the storage issue is resolved. You should now be able to send and receive messages without any storage warnings. And that's all. By following these steps, you'll fix the device storage is full issue on WhatsApp and keep your app running smoothly. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.